Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time comparing over capture videos from the Rylo and the GoPro Max. The Rylo is a very compact 360-degree camera announced in 2017. How does it compare with the much larger Max, launched in 2019? You can see a huge improvement in image quality when coming from the Rylo to the GoPro. The Rylo had good quality when compared to other cameras on the market when it launched, but the Max sets new standards here. These images were shot in order to let the stitching line in the center of the image. As you may see on the Rylo, you have a line where the stones on the floor don't match perfectly. On the GoPro you are still able to see some image aberrations on the stitching zone. Nevertheless, the improvements are also very noticeable here. The stabilization on the Rylo is already remarkably good, among the best in this segment, in my opinion. But again, here I think the GoPro has even better results. It's good to see how much 360-degree cameras have evolved in a couple of years. Let's hope the market keeps dynamic and this keeps on going.